In a busy kitchen, a reliable hand mixer is essential for effortlessly whipping up everything from delicate meringues to hearty dough. Say goodbye to strenuous hand mixing and stay tuned for this video, where we'll introduce you to the top 5 hand mixers that will transform your cooking experience. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. Cuisinart HM90BCS Power Advantage Plus Handheld Mixer. With an impressive 220 watts of power and automatic feedback, including the innovative Smooth Start feature, this 9-speed mixer ensures your mixing tasks are a breeze while eliminating splattering. What makes it a must-have are the convenient features, like the one-step power switch with a user-friendly 9-speed LED display. It's incredibly easy to use, thanks to the simple on-off button and one-touch speed control with 9 speed options. Plus, it's a compact marvel, perfect for storage, and boasts dishwasher-safe parts for effortless cleanup. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for your culinary adventures: beaters, a chef's whisk, dough hooks, a spatula, and an inspiring instruction recipe book. All these accessories neatly fit into a sturdy snap-on case, ensuring organized storage. Cuisinart stands by its product with a limited 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. And rest assured, this mixer is BPA-free, prioritizing safety for you and your loved ones. Number 2. Braun Electric Hand Mixer. With a robust 350 watts, it not only beats the ingredients, but also the competition. Its smart mix technology boasts an inline vertical motor design that ingeniously shifts the weight of the mixer out of your hand and into the bowl, reducing your mixing effort significantly. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its easy clean design, featuring a completely sealed system that ensures nothing gets inside the housing. Plus, the dishwasher-safe parts make post-cooking cleanup a simple task. Enjoy one-handed control with the Vario Control Speed Dial. A quick turn adjusts the mixing speed while you mix, and a touch of a button lets you effortlessly switch between accessories. This mixer comes with versatile attachments for every culinary task, combining both a whisk and beater in one, perfect for creating light, airy mixtures. The sturdy dough hooks are tailor-made for homemade bread and pizza, while the 2-cup chopper adds extra functionality to your kitchen arsenal. To top it off, a super soft, ergonomic grip ensures comfortable control throughout your cooking adventures. Number 3. KitchenAid Cordless Hand Mixer. With the power to make up to 200 cookies on a full charge, this mixer is ready to tackle your culinary creations. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery ensures optimal runtime and performance, and the battery indicator light signals when it's time for a quick recharge. Speaking of charging, it's a breeze with the included convenient charger, which works across the suite of KitchenAid products. Just 10 minutes of charging, and you're ready to stir up a cake batter recipe, making your cooking sessions more efficient. This hand mixer is thoughtfully designed to stand all on its own, lifting the beaters up and out of the bowl and workspace, ensuring mess-free and hassle-free baking. With 7 speeds, it's versatile enough to stir, mix, and whip all your favorite recipes. From slow stir for chunky ingredients to medium for creaming butter and sugar, and high speed for whipping egg whites and heavy creams, it's got you covered. The soft start feature gently brings the beaters up to the selected speed, preventing messy splatters. Model KHMB732 includes 2 dishwasher-safe, stainless steel turbo beater, 2 accessories, and 1 charger. Number 4. Breville Handy Mix BHM800SIL Hand Mixer. This mixer is not your average kitchen tool. It's powered by Beater IQ technology, which means it's smart enough to detect which attachment you're using and automatically adjusts to the perfect speed, whether you're whisking cream or kneading dough. But what truly sets this mixer apart is its quiet scraper beaters. No more clinging or clanging in your kitchen. The rubber scraper beater ensures maximum contact with the bowl while minimizing sound, creating a peaceful baking environment. With 9 speed settings, including a boost option, this mixer offers precise control for all your mixing needs. Whether it's light mixing or tackling a heavy dough, It's got the perfect speed for the task. Designed for your comfort, the BHM 800SIL features an ergonomic handle that creates a natural hand position, making mixing effortless. Plus, it's engineered for compact storage with a detachable compartment for all attachments and a swivel cord. The package includes 2 scraper beaters, 2 dough hooks, and 2 balloon whisks, making it versatile for all your culinary adventures. Constructed with plastic external housing and chrome accents, this mixer is not only powerful, but also stylish. And with a powerful 240 watts motor, it's ready to handle your mixing tasks with ease. The Breville Handy Mix comes with a 1-year limited product warranty. Number 5. Smeg Cream 50s Retro Style Electric Hand Mixer. This mixer doesn't just mix, it's a work of art with its cream aluminum finish and stainless steel accents. A true embodiment of Smeg's iconic retro design. Featuring a smooth start function, it ensures your mixing begins gently, preventing messy splatters. The backlit LED display adds a touch of modernity, making it both easy to use and visually striking. With 9 speed levels and a turbo function, this hand mixer is ready to tackle anything you throw at it. Whether you're whipping up a delicate meringue or kneading a thick dough, you'll find the perfect speed for the job. But it's not just about style and power. The Smeg hand mixer is equipped with everything you need. It includes 2 stainless steel dough hooks, 2 stainless steel wire whisks, and 2 stainless steel Optimus beaters. All of this comes neatly packed in an accessory storage bag for your convenience. If you appreciate a mix of style, function, and convenience in your kitchen appliances, the Smeg Cream 50s Retro Style Electric Hand Mixer is the perfect addition to your culinary arsenal. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.